Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're diving deep into a popular everyday carry, EDC, contender. The Smith Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. If you're on the hunt for the best folding knife that offers a solid balance of functionality and affordability, especially if you're considering options under $50, you've clicked on the right video. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. The Smith Wesson Extreme Ops knife boasts a 7.1-inch overall length with a 3.1-inch, partially serrated clip point blade crafted from reliable 7CR17 MOV black oxide high-carbon stainless steel. The black aluminum handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, featuring texturing and finger indentions. Weighing in at just 3.5 ounces, this is a truly lightweight companion that won't weigh you down, making it ideal as a pocket knife for daily tasks. One of the things that makes this a popular choice is its quick and easy access. With ambidextrous thumb knobs and a convenient finger flipper, deploying the blade is a breeze. Plus, the sturdy liner lock gives you confidence that the blade will stay securely in place during use. The addition of jimping and serrations adds to its utility, whether you're tackling tough materials or needing a bit of extra grip. Many users find it sharp right out of the box with good edge retention, making it a reliable tool for various situations, even as an affordable option for a first aid kit. Now, no product is perfect, and it's important to be transparent. Some users have noted that closing the knife can be a bit stiff, especially when fully opened. Also, if you're specifically looking for an assisted opening mechanism, this model doesn't have one. Some might find the one-handed opening using the flipper or thumb stud isn't always smooth initially. Despite these minor points, the Smith Wesson Extreme Ops stands out as a fantastic value proposition. It's a well-made, durable knife from a best brand known for its reliability. Its tactical design and features make it a consideration for camping and general outdoor use. While not specifically designed for intense self-defense situations, its solid construction and sharp blade could certainly serve in a pinch. For anyone seeking a dependable and affordable tactical knife that fits comfortably in your pocket for everyday carry, this is a strong contender. It's a testament to why it's ranked among the top tactical knives. Overall, the Smith Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife offers a lot for its price point. It's a sharp, well-built, and lightweight tool that's perfect for everyday tasks and general outdoor use. While it might have a couple of minor drawbacks, its positive attributes and the reputation of Smith Wesson make it a popular choice for many.